Being a writer, a lot of my stories come from my own experiences. Unfortunately, children today don't have much scope for all that, and that's why Sparklebox. Sparklebox is all about experiential learning and engaging the mind and encouraging better understanding. Because children these days are so glued to screens for learning, entertainment, or even just playing mindless video games. They really need an exciting activity hub like Sparklebox to cut out some unhealthy screen time as well. Sparklebox gives children the chance of learning by doing, because best learning comes from hands-on activities. What they experience, they understand, and hence they remember. It doesn't matter what grade they are in or what subject they are interested in. There's a Sparklebox for every kid. If Sparklebox offers your kids guaranteed fun and of course minimum screen time, do you really have a reason to say no? I don't think so. Get Sparklebox. Get the spark in your child.